bull tried to reach a little too far for feed. This feeder's a little bit wide for these younger bulls, so he's stuck. I tried moving the feeder around and getting him out, so guess we'll sawzall a bar out of it and let him free. Here, you hold in video.
Okay.
Don't push any buttons. Put your sticks down.
Okay. I can't.
Yeah. Now go. Look at all that room. There. Don't do it again on that side, retard. No? Are you kidding me?
Well, it just happened again, it looks like.
Come on, retard. Go. Your one hip is out on this side. Oh my word.
Do you have to do it again, Dad?
I don't know. Let's see. Come on. Don't be retarded. Go that way then. Come on. Your hips are past. Come on. Wake up then. Watch out, Baylor.
Daddy!
He's good. Well, he's out. Not ideal, but we'll pull this bar out and hopefully they'll leave it alone. Up at Snowshoe this morning. It's a little bit chilly, but I'm gonna try to get one of the things that's been on my to-do list for about a year now. Just never seemed to get around to it. This old International 88 tractor that I bought 5 or 6 years ago. I just needed some cheap horsepower to rake with. Put a new hydraulic pump in it and parked it for the winter. Now, last spring when I went to get it going, I couldn't get it to move. Had a mechanic look at it. They think the secondary hydraulic pump that runs the power steering and the clutches is out. So I'm gonna see if I can get it fished out of this old cabin shed and hauled to the shop because they don't want to do it here in the barn. It's kind of in here tight. I wedge it to one side so I can fit a feed tractor in here, so I'm going to try to slide it to the side and get it squared up with that door. It only has maybe 2 or 3 inches on each side to get out, so it's going to be a bit of a process, but we'll see what happens. close. I think it'll fit. Well, on wasn't the prettiest deal, but it's on pretty square. Now I'll take it to the shop while they'll work on it, and then I'm going to run to Townsend and get the tractor that we've been loading hay with all fall there. Got it unloaded, just gave it a little push with the skid steer and it came right off. So hopefully they'll be able to fix it somewhat cheap and I can get it sold. Now I'll run to Townsend and pick up the loader tractor we've been loading hay with all fall. Got this loader tractor that's been in Townsend loading hay, loaded up, and now I'm headed home. It's nice to have this done and hay hauled. Last year I was well into January and snow getting all the hay moved, but this year it's all done. There's about 100 bales right back there that a neighbor here bought, and they're just going to haul them out when they need them. So it worked out good. So I'll get home with this tractor, get it serviced, and be ready to feed. Thanks for watching.